And now, once you've taken the snapshot, let's get to the third step, which is to start the editing process. Now, to create these backgrounds that I've showed you in the first video or in the first part of the video, we're going to use an application or an online website called Adobe Firefly. So let's get in here and let's see how it goes. And now once you finish the vidmix, now I'm going to search for Adobe Firefly and select search for Adobe Firefly and hit enter. And then you need to sign in with an account and then hit create with Firefly. As you see, this is the generative fill. Now hit create with Firefly. And once you've done that, it will ask you to upload an image in here. So select the image that you've just uploaded, which is the snapshot of the video, which is here, and then select. Now, as you see, we've got a bunch of tools. Insert when you want to add a background, and remove when you want to remove any object from the background. For me, I don't like this air conditioner in the background, so I'm going to just click remove, and then I'll select it using this tool. Once I've done that, I'll click remove in here, and then wait for a few seconds. As you see here, it automatically removed the air conditioner. You could always click keep. Now, we want to make changes to this background by adding something. So by adding, you need to click on the insert in here and let's select anything you want to add. For example, I want to add here a photo or a wall decor. So I'm going to just select like this, select this area over here. And once I've done that, I'll click in here. Now, you need to describe the image you want to generate. For example, I want a wall decor. Once I've done that, click on here on generate and then hit enter, and then it will give you the options after seconds. As you see here, the options are here. You can see that these are some really good wall decorations. Well, I like this one better, so I'm gonna click keep. Let's just say you want to add a background, not only a wall decor. You want to add, for example, a cozy cafe or a space in here. Simply select the area that you want to add the space in it by selecting like this, and start selecting the areas that you need to be filled with the background. And now, as you see, these are the options. Now you could choose any options from what you like. I, for example, like this one better, so I'm just click keep.